Binding an embroidery hoop is a great way to add a little bit of extra tension to your embroidery hoop to grip the fabric a little bit more evenly, and also to sometimes protect more fragile fabrics from the wood on the embroidery hoop. In order to bind an embroidery hoop, you'll need some sort of cotton twill or bias tape, and you'll wrap it around the inner ring of your embroidery hoop. Be sure that each wrap that you make slightly overlaps the other one, and this will allow the inner and outer ring to grip one another a little bit better. Once you have wrapped all the way around the hoop evenly and everything looks pretty good without too many wrinkles, I like to secure it with some tape, and then I like to actually secure it more firmly with a few stitches using a needle and thread. Then you're ready to use your bound embroidery hoop. You can place your fabric over top of the inner ring and place your outer ring on top of the fabric, tighten up the screw, and you're ready to stitch.